Hello everyone, welcome again to Soft Asia Tech. This is our follow-up video in the series in which I am going to show you how you can set up Google Analytics with your WordPress website using Google Tag Manager. In the previous video I have shown you how you can connect Google Tag Manager with your WordPress website, and in this video I am going to show you how you can set up Google Analytics 4 and then how you can connect it with your WordPress website. First of all, I will create a Google GA4 Analytics property. So let's begin. Go to New tab and search Google Analytics. Open this website, Analytics Tools and Solution for Your Business, and then click on Get Started Today. Now here you have to add your account name and other stuffs. First of all, I will add my website name. I will add Abra & Co. Now I will check all these boxes and click on Next. Now here you have the property name. You have to put in the property name. I will add Abra & Co. GA4. Now scroll down. Here you have some advanced options, and in there you can see Universal Analytic Property. This is no longer working, but previously Google offers the Universal Analytics, then it changed to the Google Analytics 4, which is more advanced version of the Google Analytics property. Now I will click on Next, and here you have to put in your business details. Here you have the business category. I will select Health. Now you can add the business size. I will choose this one and then I will click on Next. Now you can choose any objective that you want. I will select all of these and then I will click on Create. Now check these boxes and then click on I accept. Now here you have to choose the platform, whether you are going to track website or an Android or iOS app. I will select web. Now here you have to put in the web URL. I will copy the URL and I will paste here. Now you have to remove this HTTP protocol because this is already here, and here you can add the stream name. I will add the same name, Abra & Co. GA4. Now here you have some measurement options. I will click on settings and I will just display this form interactions, and then I will click on create stream. Now I have successfully created a new account. Now it will give me some installation instructions. Here you have to choose the platform, and or you can install it manually. You can copy this code and paste it in the head section of your theme, and then this and the website will start tracking. But you can only start tracking. You cannot create conversions and other stuff. So for this I am going to use Google Tag Manager. So in the next videos I will show you how you can create button click tracking, link tracking, and how you can create conversions. So I will go back. Here you can choose a platform and you can install any plugin like Sitekit plugin, WooCommerce plugin, or Monster Insight. But I am not going to use any of them. Just I will copy this measurement ID and I will use Google Tag Manager for this. So I will go to Google Tag Manager and here I will create a tag. I will put in the measurement ID in that particular tag, and that tag will be connected with our website. So I will go to tags. Here I don't have any other tag created. I will click on new. Here you have to add tag name. I will add GA4 and then I will choose a tag. Here you can see the Google Analytics. I will choose this one. Now here these are the legacy tags like Universal Analytics, which is no longer working, and the classic, and here is the Google Analytics GA4 event. We will use this in the upcoming videos when we will create conversions and the button click tracking. But for now I am going to use this Google tag, and here you have to add the measurement ID. Just paste your ID here, and here select all pages. Now save it. Now as you already know, we already connected the Google Tag Manager with our website. If you haven't watched our previous video, click on the I button and you will get the link here where you can find how you can connect the GTM with WordPress website. So now I will preview either this tag is working on our site or not. Now I will click on preview, and here you have to add the site URL. I will copy it and I will paste it here, and then I will click on connect. It will open the debug mode here, and here you can see the tag assistant is connected. Go back to this window, click on continue, and here you can see the GA4 tag is successfully fired. I will go back and I will submit it. Here you can add the version name. I will add GA4 and I will publish it. Now it is published and we have successfully set up the Google Analytics with our website. Now I will go to Google Analytics and I will close this one, and then here you can see the data collection is pending. Click continue to home. Now here is the page where you will get all the data of the tracking, but for now it will take some time to process the data. Just I will go to admin mode, and now I will go to debug mode, and here you can see the page view appears here. So we have successfully connected the Google Analytics with our website. So now you can see the Google Analytics is starting collecting data on our website. That's it for now. Please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you won't miss any updates of the upcoming videos. The upcoming videos are more important, in which I will show you how you can create button and link tracking, and also how you can create conversions in Google Analytics.